Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm talking about religion. Religion is one of the most important elements in human history, which has appeared in many different forms throughout the centuries. Religion is not only known as a belief system, but also as cultural, social, and even political force that has influenced human societies. From the beginning of human history to the present day, humans have always tried to find meaning and purpose in life throughout religions and philosophical beliefs. In this journey, many different religions have emerged, each with its unique story. Early religions began with the worship of natural forces, animals, and deities. Over time, humans sought more complex concepts of God and the meaning of life, leading to the rise of major world religions. Judaism, Christianity, and Islam are among the religions that, due to their deep impact on human history, will be explored in this study. The emergence of early religions. In the ancient time, humans turned to supernatural forces to explain natural phenomena and how events occurred. Early humans couldn't explain the natural events scientifically, so they believed in ghosts, gods, and supernatural powers. These beliefs, known as primeval religions, include the worship of the sky, the sun, the moon, water, and other natural elements. Archaeological evidence showed that early humans performed rituals and worship to show respect for these natural forces. These rituals often include sacrificing animals or even humans to gain the favor of gods and to receive support in their social and individual lives. Ancient religions. In ancient civilizations such as Egypt, Mesopotamia, India, and Greece, religions become more complex in these societies. Many gods, with human and non-human characteristics, were believed to influence the fate of humans. Ancient Egyptian religions. In ancient Egyptian religions played a very important role in daily life. The ancient Egyptians believed that different gods controlled their world. For example, the sun god was considered the most powerful god, representing light and creation. Other gods were linked to aspects like the afterlife and fertility and nature. Mesopotamian religions. In Mesopotamia, which is in now modern day Iraq, religions were also quite complex. Gods such as Anu, Enlil, and Enki were worshipped, and they were believed to represent natural power like the sky, wind, and sea. Additionally, the beliefs in life after death and the afterworld was also a part of these ancient beliefs. Ancient Indian religions. In ancient India, several religions existed, with Hinduism being one of the oldest. Hinduism, which became a dominant religion, has deeply influenced the cultures of India and surrounding religions. Beliefs like reincarnation, reincarnation, karma, and complex philosophies related to God and the universe are central to these religions. The rise of major world religions. Over time, major world religions like Judaism, Christianity, and Islam emerged and dominant religion systems. These religions influenced various societies at different points in history and led to the creation of new historical developments. Judaism, one of the oldest religions, had a significant impact on other religions. especially Christianity and Islam. The history of Judaism go back to the time before Jesus Christ. According to Jewish beliefs, God is the sole creator of the universe, and people must follow the law of the Torah to live righteous lives. Christianity is based on the life and teachings of Jesus Christ. Christians believe that Jesus is the Son of God and that faith in him leads to salvation. Christianity spread widely in the early centuries and had a major influence on Asian cultures. Islam. Islam is a newer religion that emerged in the 7th century AD in the Arabian Peninsula, around the Prophet Muhammad. The foundation of Islam is the belief in one God and Quran, which is considered the final revelation from God to Prophet Muhammad. Islam spread across vast religion and significantly influenced the development of civilization. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice time and goodbye. Please don't forget subscribe and like.